Welcome to Step 3. Output. This is where you describe what buyers receive when they run your AI short. You will specify the output format, such as text, files, JSON, or URLs, and how long it takes to process. Let's set this up. This is different from the short pitch you created in Step 1. Here, you should write a detailed explanation. Help buyers understand what problem this solves, how it works, what they will receive, and any special requirements. Adding use cases. Use cases and scenarios is optional but highly recommended. List specific situations where your AI short is useful, such as finding Google autocomplete keywords for SEO, discovering long-tail keyword ideas, researching what people actually search for, or generating content topic ideas. You can add up to 8 use cases. Selecting output type. Output format and type tells buyers what format they'll receive. Options include plain text, HTML, URL, JSON, CSV, Excel, file, and video. Select the type that matches what your AI short produces. For example, if you generate a PDF report, choose File. If you return a Google Sheets link, choose URL. If you send structured data, choose JSON. When you select a type, you'll see a format guide on the right. For files larger than 4.5 megabytes, there's a note about using the callback guide, which we'll cover in Step 5. Processing mode. Processing and delivery includes processing mode, which is set to async by default. This means your AI short runs in the background, so buyers do not need to stay on the page while it runs. How background processing works. With background processing, buyers submit their request, your automation processes it, and then you send the results back using a callback URL. Buyers are notified when their results are ready. Estimated runtime. Set an estimated runtime to tell buyers how long they should expect to wait. Options include under 2 minutes, under 1 hour, or within 24 hours. This estimate appears on the run page and in order history, so be realistic. If your automation takes around 30 minutes, do not select under 2 minutes. Adding output examples. It allows you to add up to 2 sample outputs. This is very valuable because it shows buyers exactly what they will receive. Examples build trust and set clear expectations. If your output is text, paste a sample result. If it is JSON, paste a sample object. If it is a file, describe what the file contains. That's Step 3. You have defined what your AI short produces, how long it takes to run, and what the output looks like. Remember, the output type must match what your automation actually sends back.